Hi, I'm Brandon Biggs. Calvin Labs is our company. I'm the CEO. We basically made this title called Botnet. It's an iOS AR app last year. We are here at E3 because we have a virtual reality reveal of that app where we're having cross-play between PC VR, Quest VR, and the iOS app devices. But we believe it's all spatial tracking, right? AR, VR, everything is the same, right? It's really just how you include or occlude reality. So we, using ARKit, which is the iOS, basically, spatial tracking capability, we built a virtual reality shooter using ARKit. And so in building that virtual reality shooter using ARKit on iPhones, we have now taken that and we're merging it all together with the virtual reality technology, which means whether you're using Steam VR or Oculus software or anything else, everyone can play together. And the point of this is that we believe that if someone has like an Oculus Quest or a Vive or whatever it is, that they can show up with that headset and then have all their friends who have phones play with them. Because one of the bottlenecks, one of the limiting factors right now is just not everyone has a headset. So if I have a headset, I want my friends to play with me. So Botnet builds that capability. It allows all of us to play in the same place, allows all of us to interact with each other, shoot robots, go through the experience. And we plan to develop this through the rest of the year. We have a release tentative, TBA, to be announced. We're not exactly sure when we're going to come out the door. We're still just coming out of stealth now. Technically right now we're pre-alpha, but we're moving to the alpha stage right now. In the alpha stage, we're hitting early access on Steam. But it's early access on Steam, but it's going to work on a Vive, it's going to work on a Valve Index, it's going to work on a Rift S. And then for the Oculus Quest, that's a curated store, right? It's like a console, so we'll open up alpha access to that as a side load, right? So you'll side load that onto your device. You'll be able to play with all those other devices. And that cross-play is really where we think the magic is. It's something that we haven't really seen. Really the feature of it is, if you ever played paintball, right? Paintball, it's really simple, but it's a high-intensity game. We're bringing that paintball experience to you with robots and sci-fi and synthwave music and all the above. And what we think that's going to bring is a capability that people haven't seen. And as we move into the 5G world and we're all connected together and it's broadband everywhere, we think that this functionality will become the norm. So when, us going over here in the corner and pick up and play and all that stuff, we're early yet, but we're already seeing how this is possible, and we're building for that future. You can find more info by visiting calvinlabs.com, find us on Twitter, Calvin Labs Inc., or hit up these VR Focus guys who are awesome. And yeah, we hope to bring you more.